Hello everybody, welcome to my live presentation. My name is Mahdavi Sefat and this is the final task of step 4 Machine Learning Path CS Internship Program. I was going to talk about pathlib and file system, but after many practices I decided to not bore you with this theoretical boring stuff and jump into the code itself. So I'm going to work with pathlib library, which is object oriented and system independent, and show you some cool stuff there if I can. To start with pathlib library, no, let's not start with pathlib. Uh, let's start with let me hide this, with my files. You see, I'm in this directory or folder, step 4. In this directory, I have several files and folders. I have a picture here that I want to try and make a copy of it with file manipulation. So I use context manager with which takes care of um, closing the file after it's done with it, and put the name of the file. What is the name? The name is same.jpg. Same.jpg. You know that this is not a text file, so I cannot open it in writing mode, in simple reading mode or read text mode, but I have to open it in read byte mode uh, and define a pseudonym for it. Open same.jpg as origin. I can also put another open after the same with statement and open a destination for it. I name it copy same, and the same format. In the writing mode, write byte WB. This is the writing mode for opening a file as copy. That is good. Uh, you see, I have the with statement and open. So here, oh, I forgot this. I do that. The variable copy, I call the write function on it, and what I pass to the write function is what is I can read from the original file. And because we opened the files in binary mode, it takes care of the binary reading and writing with just the write and read functions. So executing this file, you see there's a file appeared here. This is the original and this is the copy, and it is just a meme to say that folder is another name for directory. Alright, I can go about it with pathlib as well. For that we have to call the pathlib path function, pathlib path class. From pathlib import path. After that we need to specify a destination. For example, source could be the path to this same JPG file, and destination could be the path to this copy file, copy, but I'm going to change the name to not overwrite that. Another copy. All right. Here we can use the read and write functions of the pathlib module, and this is it. With destination write bytes, we pass what we read from the source. Source dot read bytes. Oh my god. There should be an underscore here. Alright, that's it. Please look here in the file explorer and you'll see a file appears here. See, another copy of the file is created. This write bytes method also creates the file. Here, this is another, and you can see it also here. As you see, I have several documents of my weekly reports, and it could be very useful to move them to a folder, to arrange them and tidy up this folder a little bit. To go about that, I can do that. From pathlib, import path. This is the first step of making path. Let's see what is my current working directory. path.cwd. This shows the current working directory, and I can print it. Alright, here, this is the step 4 current working directory. I can also have the home function or home method of the path class and print that, but I don't need it here, only to show it. Alright, print h. Here, this user aces is the home directory of this computer. So, to move the files to a folder or to arrange the files in a better way, we could use the OS module or shutil module, but here today I just want to use the pathlib. For that, I have to make a copy of those files in the new address and just delete the original files. I can go by with a for loop for f, which could be any folder or file in current working directory iterdir. This iterdir makes an iterable object. Okay, it just iterates over any files and folders in the address that I specified. If f.stem, what does this stem do? It gives us the name without the extension. So this is a string, and we can manipulate it with a string manipulation methods. Starts with start. Oh my god. I want to say if this starts with the word weekly. Alright. And to separate the documents, for documents, I can also add another condition, and I could go and say ends with, but I don't want to use that. I want to use a pathlib property. Ends with f dot suffix, which gives us the suffix of the file, if it's a file. Alright, I had to go and say if it's a file. If f dot is file. Here I don't have any directory with the name weekly, but to be safe we have to do this. If it's file and if these conditions are true, the suffix is dot docx. Alright, if these conditions are true, and we need a colon here, we want to write in have a destination in I didn't build the destination here. I have to build the destination first. I want a folder, alright, to point to this address dot reports. Okay, and I want this destination to be a combination or concatenation of this folder and the name of the file. So I give this name. Here we used f.stem, f.suffix that doesn't need these parentheses, and f.name. Alright, these are three of the best properties of a path object in pathlib. We want to write into the destination what is inside the files. Alright, f dot read bytes, and I'm okay. Let's see what happens when we execute this. Alright, beep, we got we got an error. What is this error? We had to get error, but not this error. Alright, oh, we didn't make this destination. Alright, another way to do that. Let's try copying the files for these PDF reports, but with another syntax, with a different syntax. Here we want to use another syntax which is very common in using pathlib. We want to do glob or globbing, as they say it. This glob is a match finder, not matchmaker, match finder, and it matches the pattern that receives with the name of any file and folder in the destination. So we can do this. We can say we want the file to be the file name to start with weekly and end with PDF, and in between whatever it is. All right. This asterisk is wildcard, and it could be uh, substituted for any character, any number of characters actually. So here we just do that again. Let's copy and paste it. All right. And execute. You see, we have also the PDF files here. All right. Now you have to delete the original files. To delete them, we use this again. All right. To delete them, we use this syntax. If f is file, we unlink it from existence actually, and keep your eyes here on the files to see them disappear. 1 2 3. What if f, oh, syntax error. All right, they disappeared. No, they didn't disappear. Oh my god. All right, the files are gone. Now what if in a scenario I want to build or make some nested files and folders programmatically in a dynamic way? For example, consider this scenario. I want to make several folders, and inside the folders I want to have several files and name all those files and folders with just a few lines of program. So we keep this current path, all right, which is the current working directory, this step 4 directory, and we want to make several files and folders. So we have to have a loop, for loop, for I in range. Let's see, our TV show has three is this, 3 seasons, okay, and we want to make folders. So we would build a path here and say this, I want the path to be like this, my series, all right, and another part we can give several paths, and the path pathlib module takes care of concatenating them with the proper OS related style. All right, and so we give this, let's make it f string f season um, I. And we have to make this folder. Here in this line we just made an address. This is an hypothetical address for a folder that still does not exist. So to make it, we use makedir method, and we have here you see that I have a parent here for the folder I want to make. So I get parent and this is a special argument of the makedir, and I also, to be safe, want to put another special argument exist. Okay, exist. Okay, and put it to true as well to be safe. Alright, then for we define another iterator for j in range. Let's see, our mini series has maybe 5 whatever 5 episodes in each series, and we built a file, alright, with the path. Let's join, use the join path method of the pathlib module, pathlib library, and let's give another f string is 0 season I episode J. No, this J. Alright. For creating the file, I showed you before that write text, write bytes, write text methods of the pathlib automatically creates the file. But if we don't want to do that, we can just touch the file. This touch method in fact updates the last modified timestamp of the file, but a side effect of that um, is to create the file if it doesn't exist. Alright, file dot write, and we can put another f string, whatever, subtitle episode J. Okay, I hope it works. Let's see, execute. Here we have the my series here, and inside it we have what? Just this one season. What happened? Oh, it didn't like the write for because we didn't open the file. Okay, we had to open the file to write it, so it couldn't write anything to this. Alright, we go about and change write to write text. That's better. In this way we don't need this touch. It could be there or not. All right. So we have the my series. Inside it, we have three folders, three subdirectories, and inside them we have the. Oh, I could do that. I could also do this SRT to make it SRT files. I have two kinds of files, SRT and these unknown files. Alright, inside the SRT I have this. So this was my presentation. Thank you for bearing with my horrible voice and my slow presentation. Have a good night.